Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton SLG, and this is from the Galeries Lafayette store in Paris. My friend recently went to Paris and asked me if there was anything that she could bring back for me, and I said if you're going to Louis Vuitton, if they have this SLG, then I would love for her to bring it back. The reason why I wanted to get it in Paris because it's a lot cheaper when you buy Louis Vuitton in Paris or even abroad in Europe. This retails in New York City for $250 US plus the tax. Here in Paris, she bought this for 170 euro, and with the conversion, it's about $193 US, and that's with the VAT included. So let me open this up for you. So it's a $50 savings, which is pretty good. And this is the fuchsia color, and it's the six key chain. You put 6 keys on here, and there's a little flap on the inside. You can put cards or money. I just think this is so beautiful. It's the monogram, and here's the back. Recently I bought some purses, and I want to protect the interior by using the keys in this key holder, and I think it'll be perfect. Thank you for watching my video. If you like unboxing videos like this, follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul, or subscribe down below, and you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks again.